Hi Early Explorers! Welcome to another week of virtual activities. So this month we're exploring the theme of water. And as you know, spring is not very far away, even though there's lots of snow outside still. But in a few weeks we'll see a lot of water show up everywhere. So we thought it would be a fun theme to explore together this month. To find the activities, just click on the links that are on this page and you'll find the instructions to every activity. As the month goes on, we will keep adding them, so check back every Friday and you'll find a few more. These projects are designed for you to do together. Kids and grown-up together, family, older kids. These are all adaptable to a variety of ages, so you can do them with everyone in your home. Feel free also to substitute any of the materials that we've listed. If you don't have them, find something else in your home that might work. There's lots of options. So I'll go over some of the projects we're doing this week that you can try out too. So something that we made is a paper fish. And you can make this craft. You'll find all of the printouts to make the fins and the body of the fish, but you could also design and cut your own, and then you get to color them and learn something about how fish are made. Another activity that we're doing is going outside and clipping some of these twigs that have buds on them. Look at those. And these have been in water for a couple of days. And they're starting to change already. They feel sticky, they have some sap coming out, and in just 2-3 days, they'll start showing some green. And after that, the leaves will come out. And so that will be a really exciting project to remind us that spring is not very far away. And you can watch all the leaves come out in your home even before then. So give that a try, and you can also make decorations for this project. So you can decorate with your own crafts, or you can find little decorations that you might have already. And another thing we're doing is bringing snow inside. So while we have all of this great snow still, we can have fun and play with it before it's gone for the whole summer. So bring a bowl of snow inside. It could be a little bigger than that. And then watch it melt, and it'll melt pretty slowly. And in the meantime, it'll become really easy to make things out of it. So you could make a little snowman in the house, and you could play with your toys in the snow, and you could even paint it with watercolors or food coloring. I have some watercolors right here, and it looks really cool on the snow. So you could give that a try. And another activity that you'll find is, since our museum is closed, we thought we would bring you some of the pictures of the objects you might have seen in the galleries. So you could look at those and talk about the kinds of things that live by water, or the things that people make with water, and do a little scavenger hunt with museum objects. And then stay tuned for next week. We'll bring you more activities. And in the meantime, please share with us your pictures, little videos of things that you did with your kids with these activities. We'd love to see them. You can email them to us on the email that's listed on the page, or you can Facebook also. So with that, I hope you have a great Early Explorers at home and a great week. And we will bring more activities to you next week. Have fun. Bye.